If you're looking at the crypto market and asking why is it not going up, then don't worry, we are on the same boat. But here is the answer which the market gives you. Silver is at 12-year high. It's now at 34 and it's trying to break through another level. Gold is at the all-time highs. It's going through. Dollar is pushing up. So you are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Dollar is going up. Gold and silver is going up. Someone is lying. We know that. And most likely it's going to be dollar because dollar is getting close to the resistance. So how would we look at it in the right way? Dollar, yeah, it is getting close to the resistance. It showed down that it may slow down soon, but the resistance is still some way to go. Yeah, it's just 1.5% move, but that's still quite a big move in dollar terms. Look at Bitcoin. What is it doing? It is trying to retest the recent breakout. Now, it has not yet completed that. The Bitcoin dominance is still here. We didn't break to the downside. Yes, the macro pattern is bullish, heavily bullish. But what are we really looking at? Yeah, the news narrative is turning. Even Brad Garlinghouse is now going to the Republican side while Chris is going to the Democratic side. Now, yeah, here John is a different story. We all know him from some time. And this lady is not that good. That's one of the reasons why that's happening. But then you see someone like this getting into the crypto market and gold, saying like, commodities and Bitcoin. So they are talking openly about the crypto market. Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. If you are going through the charts looking at the price action, don't get confused. You need to also look for the liquidity. Bitcoin side is not attracting capital. So you are now focusing on different side of the market to see, are they getting attention? Are they at a different level? The alt season seems to be at a different level. And then to verify that, you go look at the altcoins. And here's what you actually see. It is pushing to the upside. Now take altcoin and check that. Now what do you see? The terminology shows you it is going back up. So here we are looking at the altcoins. Now the idea here is searches. Are they altcoin, altcoins, crypto? So people are starting to search. And this is about to start a new territory. How do you know that? You go into a yearly and you see where we are. We're starting to push back up. You go into a 90 days, a quarter, and see where we are. We're trying to go back up, a retest, and a bounce is what we are looking at in the technical terms. But then when you are here in the market and you see dollar has a little bit more room, what should we expect in crypto? We should expect it to retest something. For dollar to Bitcoin, when you compare it, yeah, Bitcoin needs to come close to 63. Now it's at 67. If this is the trend line support we are waiting for. But the breakout and retest should be here by 65,700. Now both are different levels. So then you go on a 3-day chart. You want to see where the RSI, where the MACD, all of them aligns. And that's where the equation gets really strong and tough. Because the MACD suggests it's bullish. When you go to a monthly, everything is bullish. So the question is really simple. Do you have 3, 4, 5 months to ride this monthly chart? Or are you only interested in short-term charts? Because both of them will convey a different story. What do I mean? You come here, you see this. You have around 90% of buying volume compared to the previous candle. But you didn't do anything bullish there. That was a doji which weighed down right? So sellers are here. On a short-term chart, sellers are here. You go on to a 3-day chart and you see, okay, we had some volume, but we pushed up, which was clean, saying sellers are not here. So what would you do? Short term saying there is no bias here. Long term saying literally there is a lot of bias. That is where you need to align yourself with the macro chart. So the monthly, the weekly, and the 3-day charts guiding you is suggesting any possibility of a retest should be seized like an opportunity. It can be 65, it can be in between, there can be a long wick, but ultimately that's not what matters. What matters is the price action on a macro and the directionality. Meaning, if you are watching the price action for a few months and now you understand there is something changing, there is something happening, and you still have a week for this monthly candle to close. So if you see this monthly closing anywhere above 63,500, that is bullish. Bitcoin doing that. Now take the altcoin market on a monthly chart. Do you see a breakout here? No, not yet. You're trying to, but you didn't get one. But the bull flag is still valid and is trying to break through. So November can be that part for the altcoin market. Now, say you take the entire crypto market for that matter. Bitcoin is pushing it to the upside, but what you're looking at is how it has topped out in the past. And that is one of the biggest questions you should be asking. When it tops out, what should I be looking at? It should be somewhere close to this region. It should be like this. Sometimes it's going to top out with a clear signal saying, I'm doing this. I'm going up in price, going down in RSI. I'm going up in price, going down in RSI. So most likely we are about to watch that. Now, if that's what we are going to see, then how high can the total crypto market actually go? Whoa, that's it. 8 trillion, 10 trillion is going to be the peak. Wherever you do this, it's going to be 8 to 10 trillion. We were looking for 10 to 12, but nah, it doesn't look like that. So if the negative divergence is not coming, and you're going to get the opposite side of the equation, which is hidden bearish divergence, then yeah, the price may go up like this and the RSI would actually show a bigger number. Meaning the RSI goes too high, but the price fails to go to 10, 12, 15 trillion. It gets close to like 8 to 10. So the RSI suggesting it should go to 20 trillion or 15 trillion, and the price only going to 10 or below is that key indication. So you need to look for both the ends. Now, on a monthly, yeah, we only have a week for this monthly close. Watch what the monthly shows you. On a total market side, it is like, okay, there's a lot of volume trying to push the price up, and we only have a week to go. So are we going to blow through and reach $2.7 trillion? If so, who is going to do that? Is it the Bitcoin side of the equation? Is it the altcoin side of the equation? Oh, that's a lot of birds outside. Fine. Bitcoin does show you it would like to bounce back up. And as soon as Bitcoin bounces, you will definitely watch a lot of these assets trying to get attention. Watch if they are fake or genuine with real volume. And if you do see the indicators changing, you need to be there. Say there's a lot of different tokens showing you I'm getting volume. But what matters for you should be an algorithm which you set. Now you can set anything here, whichever you would like to, whichever indicators you would like to. Bring them in. We use a specific one, but bring them in for yourself. In the SI family, you get all of those charts based on that. When I see something and I post, yeah, I'm looking through all the algos which I've created myself for our family to make sure we're doing this. Remember, we positioned ourselves here at the bottom. The SI family was well educated about this opportunity of breakout, retest, and a bounce in the RSI, which I consider to be a leading indicator. Not everyone agrees, but watch what the price does. In a month or two, when you are 100% up, thank me and the market for saying, I'm doing this, right? In the SI family, we push everything in this crypto market as an opportunity. When it comes, I give you guys that. You see where the breakout should be, where the buy can be, where the sell should be. All of those are in there. And if you would like to join that 1,200 members to ride this bull market, use the link in the description below and join. Go for a one-on-one session. Make sure you understand how your portfolio is positioned and what specifically should be your exit points. So guys, if you received value, smash that like button. I'll meet you guys on next video. Bye for now.